Hello guys, today I'll be comparing Coohom versus Planner 5D and I'll be going through their strengths and weaknesses and what should the end to know which interior design software is more worth it for you. Coohom is a powerful and cloud-based 3D design platform known for its advanced rendering capabilities and vast library of 3D models, boasting over 1 million diverse items. It offers high-quality 8K and even 12K image rendering, along with video rendering which brings designs to life with stunning realism. Coohom provides flexible design customization tools, including AI templates for quick design generation and parametric model editors for custom furniture. It supports multi-story floor plans, allows importing of CAD files, and aims to be an all-in-one solution for both novice and expert designers. Tenor 5D is an intuitive, user-friendly tool primarily aimed at beginners, DIY enthusiasts, and homeowners for interior design, floor planning, and basic architectural layouts. It features a simple drag-and-drop interface, a large library of pre-designed furniture and decor, and AI-powered tools like Smart Visit and Design Generator for layout and style suggestions. Tenor 5D offers 2D and 3D models, realistic rendering up to 4K, and augmented reality for visualizing designs. It is accessible across web, iOS, Android, and Windows, making it highly convenient for casual users. Coohom is ideal for professional interior designers, real estate agents, and serious hobbyists who require high quality, photorealistic renders and extensive customization options. On the other hand, Planner 5D is better for beginners, homeowners, and casual users who want to quickly and easily visualize interior designs and floor plans without existing training. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.